I am Gayatri, working as Assistant Professor in EAC Department at SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the topic of Introduction to Biomolecules and what is the definition, what is the biomolecules present. The chemicals or molecules present in the living organism are known as biomolecules. The sum total of different types of biomolecules, components and ions present in the cell, which is called cellular pool. The biomolecules are the compounds of carbon. Hence, the chemistry of living organism is organized around the carbon. The carbon is most versatile and most predominant element of our life. The element, which is hydrogen, which is present in the non-living thing, is 0.14. Living matter, which is present, is 0.5. Carbon, which is present in 0.03, and living matter, which is present in 18.5. Oxygen, non-living, 46.6, and living matter, living thing, 65. Nitrogen, very less, living thing, 3.3. Sulfur, 0.03 and 0.3 in living thing. Sodium, 2.8 in non-living thing and 0.8 in living thing. Calcium, 3.6 in living thing and 1.5 in 3.6 in non-living thing, 1.5 in living things. Magnesium, 2.1 in non-living thing and 0.1 in living thing. Silicon, 27.7, which is present in earth crust, and living thing, which is present very few. The biomolecules, majorly it is classified into inorganic and organic. In inorganic, it is classified into mineral, gases and water, and organic, it is classified into carbohydrates, lipids, amino acid, proteins, enzyme, nucleoid, nucleic acid, vitamins. The biomolecules in the inorganic, it is also called as macromolecule, organic, which is also called as macromolecule, which is present in small size, low molecular weight, and between 18 and 800 daltons, found which is in acid soluble pool. Macromolecules, which is larger in size, high molecular weight, about 10,000 daltons, found in an acid insoluble pool. Micro examples are minerals, gas, water, sugar, amino acid and nucleoids. Macromolecule, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins and nucleic acid. The types of, coming to the types of RNA, mRNA, which is messenger RNA, ribo RNA, and T represents our transfer RNA. This represents our structure of the RNA. Then molecular view of cell membrane. It is a basic structure of our cell membrane. First layer represents outer and inner layer. This one represents the inner surface, and outer we are having the cholesterol, sugar side chain, and phospholipid, hydrophobic fatty acid tail of phospholipid, and proteins, intrinsic posid and extrinsic posid proteins, which are present in our cell membrane. The major difference between DNA and RNA, DNA, which is having the cytosine, glycoin, adenine, thymine, where RNA, ribonucleic acid, which is having cytosine, glycan, adenine and uracil. Both which is having the helix of sugar, where it is having the combination of sugar and phosphates. The major difference between DNA and RNA, DNA, it is a long polymer. It has a deoxyribosome and phosphate backbone having a 4 distant bases. It is located in nucleus of the cell and in the mitochondria. It has 2 deoxyribose. The function of DNA is the transmission of genetic information. It acts as a medium for long-term storage. DNA is double-strand molecule that has a long chain of nucleoid. DNA replicates on its own. It is a self-replicating. Where the RNA, it is found in cytoplasm, nucleus and in ribosome. It has ribosome. The RNA is critical for the transmission of the genetic code that is necessary for protein creation from the nucleus to the ribosome. RNA is a single strand molecule which has shorter chain of nucleoid. RNA does not have the replications. It is synthesized from DNA when it is required. The types of DNA, which is A DNA, B DNA, C DNA, D and Z. types of RNA: T transfer, M messenger or ribosome, and SN which is small nuclear RNA. Thank you.